Hello students, welcome to the sixth session of overview of C programming. In previous session, we have studied first operation type, that is arithmetic operator. In this session, we will study the next operator type. So let's start with this session. So the second type is relational operator. We often compare two quantities and depending on their relation, we take certain decision. For example, we may compare the age of two persons or the price of two items and so on. This comparison can be done with the help of relational operators. An expression such as A is less than B or 10 is less than 20 containing a relational operator is termed as a relational expression. The value of a relation expression is either 1 or 0. If the relation expression is true, then it will be 1, and if the relational expression is false, then it will be 0. For example, if A is less than B, this condition is true, then the result will be 1, and if A is less than B is false, then the result will be 0. C supports 6 relational operators. So the first one is less than operator, and it is used to compare whether a particular variable is less than or not. Second one is less than equal to. So the meaning of this is whether it is less than or equal to. Next, third one is greater than, which is used to check whether it is greater than or not. Fourth one is greater than equal to, is greater than or equal to. Next one, equal to. Here the equal to symbol is used 2 times to check whether variable is equal to or not. And the last one is not equal to, and the meaning is not equal to. A simple relational expression contains only one relational operator and takes the following form, that is AE1 space relational operator space AE2. Here AE1 and AE2 are arithmetic expressions which may be simple constant, variables, or combination of them. For example, 4.5 is less than or equal to 12, 2.5 less than minus 3, minus 7 is greater than or equal to 0, 10 is less than 3 plus 2, A plus B equal to C plus D. When arithmetic expressions are used on either side of a relational operator, the arithmetic expression will be evaluated first and then the result will be compared. So the next type is logical operator. In addition to the relational operators, C has 3 logical operators. First one is AND symbol, which means logical AND. Second one OR, the meaning is logical OR. and third one is not, and the meaning is logical not. The logical operators and or are used when we want to test more than one condition and make decision. An expression like A is greater than B, ampersand symbol, x is equal to 20, which combines two or more relational expression, is termed as logical expression, or it is also called as compound relational expression. Like the simple relational expression, a logical expression also holds a value of 1 or 0 according to the truth table. So here, if first operand is non-zero and second operand is also non-zero, then operation of AND will be 1, and even operation for logical OR will be 1. Next, if first operand value is non-zero and second operand's value is 0, then logical AND will be 0 and logical OR will be 1. Next, if first operation, that is the value is 0, and for the second, if the value is non-zero, then logical AND will be 0 and logical OR will be 1. And if both the operand's value is 0, then logical AND will be 0 and also logical OR value will be 0. So that's it for today's session. In next session we will see another type of operator.